Today, gagawa tayo ng Lidgid or Suman sa Tagalog. So, okay.
But, here we go now. Let's go.
Cut the banana leaves for wrapping into pieces like this, and quickly pass the banana leaves over high flames to help soften and make easier to fold. Gently wash the camote with running water and peel the camote. Make sure to put it in a bowl or a container with water in it. Wash it again, and then we can now start to grate the camote. Filling process of our Lidgid, you need sugar, grated camote, and coconut milk. Boil first the coconut milk, add the sugar in the pan, and gently stir until the sugar dissolves. And lastly, add the grated camote. Keep on stirring until it cooks and becomes brown and sticky. For the wrapping process, you scoop 1 tablespoon of grated camote and flatten it on the banana leaves and put the peelings and fold it like this. Make sure to secure the top and bottom part of the leaf by folding it like this. Lidgid nga kamote looks like suman because it is also wrapped, but instead of sticky rice, we use root crops like camote or sweet potato in English. For the final step, layer it all in the cauldron. Boil about 8 to 10 cups of water or coconut milk, then steam for 30 to 35 minutes or until it cooks. Remove from the steamer and let it cool down. Our Lidgid is now ready to serve, share, and enjoy. Lidgid might last 2 to 3 days if fridge. If not, it will only last for a day.
Thank you so much for watching. Please feel free to follow my adventure and misadventure in life, and be sure to subscribe to this channel for videos and travel vlogs. Don't forget to hit the bell to join my notification squad. Till next time, bye!